So the training is amazing. We actually got on board with an in-person training in LA, and we sent 3 of our engineers there. Its integration capabilities exceeded that of normal residential home automation.
Hi everybody, Nick from Loxone here, just outside the San Diego offices for Automated Control Incorporated, one of the newest and most exciting Loxone partners. We're going to be talking to their Vice President, Rick, about how their experience has been so far, the training, the benefits, and the future for Loxone Tech at Automated Controls. And here he is, the man himself. Rick, thanks so much for having us in.
Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely, we really appreciate it. We really appreciate you joining the Loxone family. To wit, would you like to tell us a little bit about what the journey's been like as a brand new Loxone partner?
Of course. So we actually were researching automation products for home automation when we came across Loxone. And we started looking into the product and found that its integration capabilities exceeded that of normal residential home automation. It was the only one that we could see being moved into a commercial space as well. We're experienced in the commercial office space. We've been doing controls since 1994. But with the shift in the market, we wanted to explore residential, and Loxone just seemed to be the perfect match for it.
Great, and can you tell us just a little bit about the training and maybe how many of your employees have gone through the Loxone training courses so far?
So the training is amazing. We actually got on board with an in-person training in LA, and we sent 3 of our engineers there. It was a 3-day intense boot camp training that really got them into the programming, into the front end, and really helped them understand the capabilities. Since then, we have sent 3 other staff members, including myself, through the training, just because I feel it would benefit me to have the technical background on it as well.
That's great, that's great. So now that you are onboarded, you've been trained, what are you looking forward to? What does the future look like for Automated Controls and Loxone?
So we're looking forward to implementing Loxone in both our existing sites. The audio capabilities will come in handy for the amenity spaces in commercial offices. It'll also open up restaurants that typically would not normally have a BMS, building management system. And then of course, we're expanding into the residential market as mentioned. We have a project a few miles from here that is in the design phases with a couple that are remodeling a house, and then I'm also looking at putting it in my own new house build.
Oh, that's great, putting it into your own house. Now that's a sign of commitment and trust in the system. Is there any chance we can go take a look?
Absolutely.
Excellent, let's hit the road.
So welcome to my home.
Thanks for having us.
This is going to be a 1,450 square foot home, 2-story with a 2-car garage. Unfortunately, the budget was already formed before the partnership with Loxone, so I couldn't go to the extremes that I want to. But I am planning on putting a panel out here with my Loxone server, audio server, and I am doing low voltage ENT, which is Smurf tube, to allow me to get future wires throughout the house as I expand.
Great.
But initially, I will have an integration with my in-phase, working with Loxone for that. I'm gonna have speakers and audio zones throughout. And of course, start playing with other integrations to smart home devices, including using the One Home to do Alexa integration. But you can see here, for example, I've already started putting in low voltage boxes that are going to be used for the future. And it's going to be snaked all throughout above the ceiling so that I don't have to rip open walls if I want to do hardwired. Although Loxone does have all the air devices that are amazing. Yeah.
Don't have to break holes in the wall.
Yeah. Plus they play well with high voltage, 120, you know, the relays and stuff. And that's where, because a lot of my lighting and is going to be 120, I'm going to go ahead and use those to control it in the future.
Well, we cannot wait to see it when it's completed. This is going to be such a smart house. It's going to be so well integrated. We're going to have to come back and visit you next year.
Absolutely. You're welcome anytime.
Excellent. Thank you, Rick. And if you're interested in seeing what Loxone can do for your home or your business, check us out online, loxone.com. We're always happy to talk.